Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm here to share an incredible journey with you, a journey to earning passive income through the power of AI and audiobooks. Imagine turning your ideas into a steady stream of earnings. We are going to take this journey together. Let's get started. Discover your passion. Let's start by diving into the world of trends. Whether it's through Google Trends or sifting through YouTube, we'll find a topic that's capturing hearts and minds. Craft your blueprint. With our trending topic in hand, we'll sketch out a simple, compelling outline. This blueprint will guide our story. Unleash creativity with AI. Next, we'll bring our outline to life. I'll collaborate with ChatGPT to transform our blueprint into a captivating audiobook script. Give voice to our story. With our script ready, it's time for some magic. At 11 Labs, I'll select the perfect voice to breathe life into our words, crafting a professional and engaging narration. Share our creation with the world. The final step is to introduce our masterpiece to audiobook lovers on Audible, following a straightforward guide to ensure our story finds its audience. This is more than just creating audiobooks. It's about leveraging 11 Labs' cutting-edge AI to produce content that resonates and using Audible to connect with listeners globally. And remember, it's not just about sales. Through Audible's affiliate program, we can amplify our impact and earnings by promoting our work and others. So, let's embark on this adventure together. With passion, creativity, and a bit of AI wizardry, the world of audiobooks awaits. Let's make magic, and yes, let's make money. Here's to our success. Let's make some magic happen.